Hi everyone, Peter from Childwall Emporium here. So on this video we're going to be making a flip book. This one I did of somebody just kicking a ball. So you're going to need the paper, your clip, the sandpaper and your felt tip pens to make this. And your first step is to find a window. So you want to go up to a window. During the day when it's sunny, place your paper on there. I'm going to draw a stick man waving. So you want to do it to the right of the paper, and then you just get your next piece of paper, lay it over the top, and then just so it meets the same corner down here. Place it up against the window. You'll be able to see what you've drawn before. Go over the top of it, but just change it ever so slightly. Then put the first one down. You've still got your second one you've drawn, and you want to put another one over the top. And then same again, match it up in this corner. Over the top, and then you just keep going until you've done lots of them. That's how you get a really good flip book. The more you do, the better it'll look. So after you've done your drawing, you're going to get your flip book and do it so they all meet up down in that bottom corner, like we discussed. Then you want to put your clip on, so it all stays in one place. Now this is the bit that's a bit weird. You're going to get your sandpaper and you're just going to sand the edge. I know it's a bit weird, but it makes it a bit easier when you do your flick. And there you go. Little stick man waving. And there you go, you're all done.